Welcome back to CEO Experiment Lab. And today we're going to be teaching you guys about magnets.
Yep.
For this experiment, you're going to need magnets.
And I love playing with magnets. They're super fun!
We have different types of magnets and we're going to teach you about them. The red side is north and the silver side is south. So let's see what happens if we put north and north together. They repel. Repel means that they don't come together.
It's going away!
And then let's put them in like opposites and let's see. Oh, it attracts. Have you guys ever heard the saying opposite attracts? Well, this is what it's doing. This is really cool. So we have different types of magnets and we're just going to show you how they work. So we have like these magnets, the dots. You're supposed to put like the dots right here. The dots.
Yeah,
the dots are supposed to go opposite with the sides that don't have dots. So let's see what happens. I'm just gonna line them up like this.
Yeah, you're gonna line them up. I'm gonna do that too.
Let me take some of this and then boom.
Let me show you. I want to see it.
It's cool. Magnets are so fun. This is fun.
I'm gonna try that. That looks really fun.
Wow. Whoa.
I'm gonna do that. I'm actually not gonna
This is so
Look
cool.
at this.
I'm gonna try this again.
It's going off of this. It's gonna carry everything in the whole entire world. It's carrying everything in the whole entire world. Everything's going away. Sorry.
Got it now.
No, you're just gonna get the end.
Got it. Wow,
Oh,
this is so
look!
cool.
I just carried a star. Now I'm a star.
Wow, this is so cool. Try the other side. Oops.
Oopsie daisy. Oh.
Do you guys know what the magnetic field is? Well, we're gonna show you. A magnetic field is where the tracks. So this is not the magnetic field. This is not the magnetic field. This is the magnetic field.
This is my magnetic field.
Yep. The magnetic field is where the tracks. So mine was right here.
Mine was right here, but I didn't make it. So it's right here.
Is the area that is the tracks.
Yeah.
Now we have our magnetic sand in the Elmeyer flask and we're gonna show you what we can do with it. So guys, look, if you put it right here, it won't stick. But if you go like this, it can stick because the sand is magnetic.
Yeah.
Let's try to get a lot on here.
I did it everywhere.
This is so cool. Ooh.
Let's get it around the eyeliner flask.
Yep, let's get it around the Elmeyer flask. This is so
like
cool.
Germs to me.
And yeah, it looks like germs.
Okay.
This is so cool. Oops, mine fell down.
Mine fell down too.
Got mine stay on.
It looks so weird.
Got mine on. Some right here.
They're all sticking
one right
together,
here.
so. The four that I did on the bottom, oh, now 6.
Wait, what if I can do, oh wait, I can do this one.
Oh, we're making like a little like,
This is so cool.
That looks like a bamboo. I'm making some over here. Oh, guys, I actually thought that was actually out here. That's not gonna stick because I have so much.
Yup, this is so cool.
Well, I can't put it all the way up.
Let me see if it works for this. Nope.
It worked for these ones. If you want to do it, you
Oh yeah. Where's like those like
you can only do it these.
these?
Yeah.
Yup, this is so cool.
I'm
but
gonna
it won't
try
stay
and do.
on.
I'm gonna try and do this. That's a fail.
That's a really big fail.
I'm gonna go back to this one. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe and hit the notification bell to know when we post a new video.
Bye. Close the back.
Bye.